抽 Buble 音乐录影带收录了歌曲《Save the Last Dance for Me》。该曲 MTV 的背景伴舞者所跳的舞蹈呢，就是拉丁舞蹈家陈德明的作品，他自己也有参与其中的比赛。这个 MV 呢，也成为他的重要舞蹈作品之一，而且呢，该音乐录影带还勇夺 Juno Award 的荣誉。我们常说狗是人类最好的朋友，不过对于陈德明来说呢，鹦鹉 Picasso 才是他最好的朋友。他也是陈德明的拉丁舞伴儿。为了更加深入了解他们之间的故事，我们在采访陈德明的时候呢，发生了一些小花絮，到底是什么呢？赶快带您去看一看。
08年7月2日，我们一行人一起去采访 Exotic Salsa 舞蹈家陈德明。当时他的互动舞伴 Baby Picasso， 也就是画面上这一只鲜艳的鹦鹉，正在天际翱翔飞行的时候，瞬间遭到了海鸥的戏弄。抬头一看 ，Picasso 和海鸥互相的追逐，霎时之间不见了踪影。陈德明虽然利用哨子试图想要把它叫回，但是不论怎么用力的吹哨，还是未见返回。就这样子的 Picasso 和海鸥群就消失在 English Bay 的天空，留下担心又无奈的陈德明和等候拍摄多时的摄影团队，最后只好黯然的取消了当天的采访行程。08年7月14日，陈德明通知我们 Picasso 已经找回来了。趁着阳光普照的好日子，我们决定再次的出发采访。回想日前 Picasso 失踪，陈德明很难过的说
：“I've been trying to look up high and look up low, and couldn't find Baby Picasso. The last time I saw it was near the between the Parrot Street Bridge and the English Bay Area. So that day I was driving around whole city, and with my beep beep on. So I didn't hear anything. So I know that something is not goes right. And what happened is that afternoon, I couldn't hold myself. Actually, I tried to remain positive and really optimistic because I trust Baby Picasso will be out there. So eventually, in the afternoon, I was driving, and I broke into tears. So really, is a feeling that I never feel like before. I feel like there's something empty, something part of me is missing.
不过，这么一次和 Picasso 短暂的分离，却也带给陈德明像是与爱人之间小别胜新婚的亲密感。
So what happened was we opened the cage, and then Baby Picasso come out. So it's and then it will flop off its wing like this, and then what happened was I usually have a little test and see how, if it knows you, then it will respond to you. Now. And then I said, well, probably Baby Picasso will kiss me. Haven't seen me for the last 24 hours because my love is lost and maybe found at the moment. So I have the most intimate moment in my life, I have to say.
陈德明和 Picasso 人鸟之间会有这样子浓厚的感情，是有原因的。除了 Picasso 是一位讨人喜欢的宠物以外，陈德明本身也是一位salsa舞蹈编舞创作家。他认为现代人多半无法真正的解放自己的心灵。他从鸟类的振翅飞舞的肢体语言，体会出如何要表现自己的韵律美，因而激发了称为 Exotic Salsa 舞蹈的新作品。想要用舞蹈和艺术的形式来激发现代人的真善美。
I created something I called Exotic Salsa Dancing, and unlike salsa dancing alone, there's an exotic element where it is inspired by the art of play. Imagine this: if you are a bird, if you are learning dancing lesson, and part of its learning communication is I learn to adapt what the birds and what we are feeling inhibited and translate into my performing program.
陈德明今天有这样子的想法跟星座，他说全得力于 Picasso 带给他的灵感。
What does exotic really mean? You can decide what exotic means to you. Now, when you look at Baby Picasso, I think it definitely is with the yellow color, with the attitude which is more exuberant, more flamboyant. more outgoing and fun. I think this is quite exotic to me because if my life has been if I'm not passionate about something, if I'm at a point in my life that I feel that I'm pretty low, when I see something that feel the passion for life, so active of a life, this is very exotic to me because I never experienced those feelings emotionally, physically, and mentally.
Picasso 还是小小 baby 的时候就攀养生活在一起了，他们每天几乎形影不离，还常外出运动。Picasso 带给陈德明的是一个崭新的人生态度。
A lot of time I live, I eat, I go to supermarket, and we go for furniture shopping. And because one of the toughest decisions in my life was with Baby Picasso is whether or not it will be like other birds will be caged for the rest of his life.
别人是带狗狗慢跑，陈德明则是带鹦鹉做飞行的训练，在运动中培养感情以及默契，同时也锻炼出 Picasso 的体魄。陈德明说 Picasso 体重约达到1400公克，比一般的鹦鹉还要重一些。飞行的运动让 Picasso 生龙活虎，与一般饲养在笼子里的鹦鹉显着不同。陈德明从 Picasso 的飞翔律动萌生灵感，开发出了 Exotic Salsa 的舞蹈风格。陈德明与 Picasso 的人情互动，简单的说，陈德明的舞伴就是鹦鹉，也就是他和鹦鹉一起表演 Salsa 的舞蹈。除了透过和鹦鹉一起飙舞以外，陈德明也可以从人类的肢体语言领会到艺术的境界。8月的时候，陈德明举办 Exotic 游轮 Party， 喜欢跳舞的人参加了以后都可以感觉到 Exotic Salsa 舞蹈的乐趣。陈德明还特别邀请到模特儿的人体绘画表演，大胆的演出，让人大开眼界，欣赏到自然美。
I developed a concept where people, regardless of who they are, regardless of shape and size, regardless of where they are from, which country they are from, so they will have the opportunity to celebrate their human body, to celebrate their existence through the art form of moving arts, through exotic salsa dancing and the colors together.
不论是 body painting 或是 exotic salsa dance 也好，其实表演的目的宗旨就是要人放松心情，随性的享受人生。英文的说法就如同陈德明所说的 Love dance with passion.
My mission is to inspire, entertain, and help people and companies to live, to create more fire, fun, and passion in their life, so that they can live their full potential. That's my goal. Now, then I feel that something is missing. I was thinking, what happened? I mean, because I was immersed into my work so much, and I feel that I'm missing something. So I then realized that seems a little secret in my life is I need to remember the first time how I play. When I play, I start living in the moment. I start more relaxed. I start worrying about less. So, like every one of us in our work, we feel stressed. So when I was with Baby Picasso, what I noticed is Baby Picasso always living in the moment. Is so passionate about every little things, and every day is a new life.
在人生的乐章里头，陈德明也是做过广告业。他正式成为了舞蹈家以后，人生的旅途遇到了 Picasso。自此 ，Picasso 给予他新的人生意义。他认为，透过和 Picasso 舞蹈以及平日的运动，尽情的享受 life 这样子的 message， 他想要传给电视机前的您一起分享。